Great! Here are the steps you can follow to make a website for your stock market analysis and stock booking firm. Choose a domain name. Start by choosing a domain name that reflects your company name and services. You can register a domain name through a domain registrar such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Choose a web hosting service. Choose a reliable web hosting service that can provide you with enough bandwidth and storage space to host your website. Some popular web hosting services are Bluehost, HostGator, and SiteGround. Choose a content management system, CMS. Select a CMS that will help you to build your website. Some popular CMS options are WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. 1. Plan your website. Plan your website structure, layout, and content. Decide on the pages you will include, such as a home page, about page, services page, contact page, and blog. 2. Design your website. Choose a professional website design that reflects your company's brand and services. You can either use a pre-designed template or hire a web designer to create a custom design for you. 3. Develop your website. Use your chosen CMS to develop your website. Add your content, images, and other elements to your website's pages. 4. Install necessary plugins and tools. Install necessary plugins and tools that will help you to integrate your website with your stock market analysis and stock booking software, and to enhance your website's functionality. 5. Test and launch. Test your website thoroughly to ensure that everything is working properly. Once you are satisfied with your website's functionality, launch it to the public. 6. Promote your website. Promote your website through various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. By following these steps, you can create a professional website for your stock market analysis and stock booking firm. Good luck! Thanks for watching.